welcome back to Karenliz TV, and for today's video, I'll be swatching this new makeup or this new lip products from ALTHEA, and this is their ALTHEA Watercolor Cream Tints, and they released 4 shades, and I actually introduced this product at my unboxing video, and I also used this. So these tints retail for 260 pesos, and each product has 4.5 ml. And yeah, they only release 4 shades. And its description: get deliciously juicy lips with ALTHEA's watercolor cream tints. These pretty tubes give you the best of all worlds, with the pigmentation of a lipstick, the long-wearing power of a stain, and the moisturizing formula of a gloss. Bold, pigmented, and equipped with a pretty sheen, these lippies contain hyaluronic acid and squalene to prevent chapped lips from flaking. Perfect for stashing in your purse for easy touch-ups and comfortable wear. Pick from 4 different shades to suit your mood. Here is the box. Ganda ng packaging, but then it doesn't have English translation on it. It is not helpful at all. And then what's inside the box is this beautiful tubes. Ang small lang niya. And then as you can see, the colors doesn't have too much differences, but more parang red similarities. So I know you're excited with the swatches. First is number 1, which is Plum Cream. By the way, when you open it up, the wand or the applicator looks like this. Look at that pigmentation. Next is Strawberry Cream. Next is Peach Cream. Next shade is Maroon. So I'm done sharing you my swatches with this watercolor cream tints from ALTHEA, Korea. And as you can see, the finish is glossy, but it is not sticky. It is not transfer proof and smudge proof because it transfers a lot because of its consistency, but then it stains a lot also. If you remove this top part, it will have that stain effect. It leaves your lips like this. It looks so natural and perfect stain. And that's it for my swatches. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you on the next one, my loves. Bye!